Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A25, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM ejector, which will come provided with the device in the box, and it should look something similar to this one. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, string out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device where the pin is holding right now. Then push it in, and the tray will pop out enough for you to be able to grab it and pull it out. On the tray, you will have space for either two SIM cards, which if you're planning to use dual SIM, you'd place one of those on the SD tray sideways like this. There we go. But if you're planning to use one of each, you can then move that card over. Grab a different card that also has a pin on it. There we go. So I'm going to place the other one right over here, and then assuming you want to use an SD card, you can place it on your SD tray like so. Now, as you can see, there's nothing holding those cards in place, so they can easily fall out. So be careful. Said be careful, then knocks the card out. Be careful when inserting those cards into your device, because they could come out. Now, if the tray isn't going in easily back into its place, don't force it. Just take it out, make sure that the card hasn't come out loose. Then insert it into your device, and once you do so, the cards should start working right away. As you can see, SIM card is being detected and it's telling me to put in my SIM card pin, so I'll do that right now. So obviously SIM card is working, and we should also have a notification about SD card being detected as well. And there we go. That is how you can insert your cards into this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.